Yeah, so I suppose one of the things that we do is we offer, assistance to the customer inside the gates of the factory on site, shoulder to shoulder with the customer, assisting them with the making of the medicine in order to improve it and continually deliver on the promises that are needed. And that allows us to deliver people into the factories to assist with the manufacturing. We also then combine that with the global remote support, so that you can take the support from offshore and drive that into the factory and then combine that into one team, so that you get this one team high touch service inside the gates of the factory and also globally, so that you can have lower cost support but also collaborating between the manufacturing sites and across the supply chain. So we can provide sort of one team, one governance in this local and global way to allow us to get the right price point for the support, but also that high touch at elbow support in the factory. So we can take the expertise and drive the technology to deliver these value outcomes, and that we can release the value as we go and release it early and release it often.